If you got a Logitech MX Vertical Mouse where maybe you have changed some button functions and now just want a hardware factory reset all its settings, start afresh. Now for that, if you haven't already, just go ahead, open any browser and search for the Logi Options Plus Customization app. Now, whatever device you're using, simply download the device compatible version of that exact app. And after the installation, to set up the app, just follow the on-screen prompts one after another and properly set up the app on your device. When the setup is complete, you'll end up with this animated mouse on your screen. Simply click on it, and from the left-hand side options, just click on Settings, scroll down till the end, and there it is. Just click on Reset to Default Settings option, and from this pop-up, select Yes Reset to confirm your choice. That's it. And that is the only and proper way to reset your Logitech MX Vertical Mouse. Thanks for watching.